Hello, and welcome to the Wenatchee Valley College presentation. My name is Oscar Licono-Sebio, and I am the Community Outreach and Recruitment Coordinator for Wenatchee Valley College. So let's jump in. Wenatchee has two campuses, with Wenatchee being the main campus and our branch campus in Omak. This year, we will be offering flexible options for students. Classes will be offered in a variety of formats, which include in-person, hybrid, and online. To apply, please visit our website, wvc.edu/apply, and you can apply online. Traditionally, we would allow students to apply in person or by mail. However, due to COVID, you would need to apply online. If you need assistance, please contact admissions at wvc.edu. After you apply, look for an acceptance letter with your permanent CTC link ID. You would then need to take a placement test, so if you haven't already, please schedule a placement test through the WVC Testing Center or call 509-682-6830 to get that scheduled. You would also need to apply for financial aid if you haven't already. To learn more, please visit the financial aid webpage. Once that is complete, you would be able to register for classes. If you're not sure where to start, highly recommend that you meet with our academic advisor or schedule an appointment with an educational planner by calling 509-682-6830. Some important deadlines for us at WVC is September 13th, which is a new student enrollment deadline for fall quarter, and September 27th is when classes begin. And don't forget, FOSFA and WASFA opens October 1st. Some resources that we offer are the College Assistant Migrant Program, which supports first-year students from migrant or seasonal backgrounds. It provides financial assistance, support services, and equips students with the knowledge and reinforcement needed to make the jump to university or a four-year college. We also have TRIO, Student Support Services. TRIO is a federally funded program that provides low-income, first-generation college students and students with disabilities the valuable support and services that will assist in student success and persistence towards graduation. We also have the Mathematics, Engineering, Science Achievement, also known as MESA. The MESA program advocates for education, equity, and access in science, mathematics, and engineering. It offers academic and professional support services to students in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics majors, or STEM. We also have the Student Access, which is the disability services for students that need accommodations for their courses. In addition, we provide free tutoring to students. For more information, please visit wvc.edu. Some COVID updates are students' vaccination are required for fall quarter for students enrolled in in-person and hybrid classes. However, exemptions are available. Relief funds are also available, so please apply for emergency cash grants for college students whose lives and educations have been disrupted by the pandemic. You can have more information by going to wvc.edu/apply/pay/financial aid/relief funds. If you have any questions regarding Wenatchee Valley College or any of the programs that we offer, please contact me, the Community Outreach and Recruitment Coordinator, Oscar Licono-Sebio, at 509-682-6553 or email me at olicon-eusebio@wvc.edu. If you have any questions regarding admissions or registration, please give us a call at 509-682-6806 or email us at admissions@wvc.edu. For any questions regarding financial aid or WASFA, please give us a call at 509-682-6810 or email us at financialaid@wvc.edu. Also, you can find us on social media at Wenatchee Valley College. Thank you very much.